Hey guys, so if you're wondering, I buy stocks, I buy shares on the Luce, and then what happens? How do I make this money? Am I just investing and not getting back my money? Can I even get back my money? Or what is this thing about dividends? What creature is it? If these are part of your questions, this is definitely the video for you, so stay tuned. Hey beautiful people, welcome back. I am Matilda and welcome to my channel where we talk about basically investing our money, growing our money so that we can live the types of lives that we want. So I am so glad to have you here. If you're new, please remember to share, like, and subscribe to this channel so that you are always in the know of when I upload. You're always in the know of any new activities that I am up to. So get to it. So you've been asking me, Matilda, if I buy shares or when I do buy shares, what next? What happens? Well, guys, that's the beauty of buying shares on the stock market. You don't need to really work. When you buy shares, your money works for you. So what happens is that when you buy shares on any of the listed companies on the Luce, you are actually becoming a shareholder in any of those companies. So the same way, when you start a company with two of your friends, all three of you have shares in that company, and when you make profits, you will share the money according to your agreement among the three of you, right? So when you get that profit, when you get a proportion of that profit, that money is called dividends. So in the same way, when you buy shares on the Luce in any of the companies that are listed, at the end of the financial year, of which they will give notice, they will give you dividends. Usually they will announce, 15 ngwe per share, and you have 1 million shares, so you get your money accordingly. So that's what basically it's about. Now, if you're wondering, what if I change my mind? I'm not so comfortable with this stock market thing. I'm not even sure. I'm still learning about it. I don't want to make losses. Is there a way of getting out? Well, guys, there is a way of getting out if you're not comfortable with shares that you've bought. For example, you buy shares in company A and then you would like to change and move those shares to company B because maybe you're not happy with the performance of company A. You can sell those shares on the stock market. That's what the stock market is for. And when you get your money, you can buy your shares in the other company. Sometimes, even if you want to actually liquidate, like get your money out because you have a need you have to meet outside of the Lusaka stock market, you can sell all your shares, get out your money, and then do whatever it is you want to do. I am telling you this, and I know for a fact that it is doable because I've done it so many times. I mean, you know how life gets crazy sometimes, or you have a need and you need money, but the only place you can see quick, easy money to liquidate is on the stock market. I have sold off my shares, gotten out my money, done whatever it is I needed to do, and then after I was settled, I started buying back the shares because that's what I wanted to do. So the same way it goes, you can do that. It's not like other products or other business ventures that we will get into. So if you're dealing in something like trading, for example, you buy products and you have to resell them. There is nothing like, oh no, I discovered that I'm not good at sales, so yeah, here, back your products, give me back your money. No, there's nothing like that. On the stock market, you can resell those stocks and somebody else buys and then you get back your money. So that's how the stock market behaves. It's pretty safe. However, for the dramatic side, don't take my word to say it's pretty safe, because sometimes the price of your products, the price of your shares can drop. And if you're thinking of leaving the market at the time, it could be a bit weird. So you have to be ready to measure at what point you want to leave the market, and also if the price is what you're comfortable. On the dividend side, each company has a financial year. So for example, if a company's financial year starts in January and ends in December, that's a financial year. After a financial year comes to an end, the company which is listed on the Luce will inform its shareholders that they will be paying out dividends, and they'll also state how much dividends will be paid out. So in my next video, I will be sharing with you a practical example of how that happens, and walk you through the 3 main things that you need to look out for when you're looking at a dividend notice so that you don't lose your dividends, and also so that you don't rush into buying stocks that will not give you dividends when you're hoping for dividends. So make sure to catch my part 2 video on